Why regular garage door maintenance is essential for homeowners. Your garage door is key to your home's safety and access. In Haltom City, Texas, weather and daily use cause wear, making annual professional servicing vital. Garage doors have springs, rollers, cables, and openers working together. Without maintenance, these parts can fail and create safety hazards. Annual servicing includes lubricating parts, adjusting spring tension, checking cables, and testing safety features to avoid emergencies. Warning signs like grinding noises, sagging panels, or a jerking door mean it's time for immediate professional repairs. Frequent use and harsh weather increase wear. Proper installation and regular care help minimize repairs. Skipping maintenance risks costly failures and safety issues. Regular care extends lifespan and protects your family. Technicians inspect, lubricate, tighten, and test components to spot problems early and keep your door reliable. Prioritize annual garage door service in Haltom City, Texas. Call a local expert today to ensure safe and smooth operation year-round.